Welcome back to Emotions and Stories. In our series, we bring to a new story. It is called A Bond Woven by Destiny. In a small town on the bank of Ganges, amidst the ringing temple bells and the chatter of morning bazaar vendors, two children were born on the same day in the neighboring homes. Arjun and Meera entered the world just hours apart, their cries echoing through the narrow lanes of their quiet locality. Their mothers, who had been childhood friends themselves, rejoiced at the twist of the fate, declaring that the children were destined to be together. As they grew, Arjun and Meera became inseparable. They played in the dusty courtyards, shared mangoes stolen from the orchard, and raced along ghats, laughing as the river breeze tousled their hair. Their families celebrated every festival together, whether it was smearing colors on each other during Holi or lighting diya side by side on Diwali. The entire town watched their bond strengthen with time, an unspoken promise weaving between them. Years passed and childhood turned into adolescence. Arjun, with his ever present smile, dreamed of becoming a teacher, while Meera, with a sharp mind, aspired to be a doctor. But no matter how different their dreams were, they always found time for each other. Their friendship blossomed into love. Though neither of them ever spoke about it openly, their eyes, however, told a different story, one of the deep understanding and quiet affection. When the time came for marriage, fate played its part once more. Their families, who had always envisioned them together, proposed the match, and to no one's surprise, both Arjun and Meera agreed with shy smiles. The wedding was a grand affair, with the entire town joining in the celebrations. The streets were adorned with marigold garlands. The air was filled with the sound of dhols and laughter. The women of the town sang traditional wedding songs as Meera's hands were adorned with intricate mehndi patterns, and Arjun's friends teased him about his longtime companion becoming his bride. As they exchanged vows under the secret mandap, the elders whispered, "Some bonds are written in the stars." Their life together was filled with love, understanding, and the same companionship they had shared since birth. Arjun became a respected teacher in the village school, where children looked up to him not just as a mentor but as a friend. Meera, true to her aspirations, opened a small clinic to care for the people of her town, often working late into the night to ensure no patient went untreated. Through every challenge and joy, they stood by each other, proving that the love was not just fate, but a bond nurtured by time, trust, and endless memories. Over the years, their love only grew stronger. They found joy in the simplest moments. Morning walks along the riverbank, shared cups of steaming chai on rainy days, and storytelling sessions under the old banyan tree where they once played as children. Their home became a haven of warm laughter and togetherness, where guests were always welcomed with open arms. And so, in the same town where the journey began, they built a life together, hand in hand, fulfilling the destiny that they had been whispered since the day they were born. Their love story became a legend among the townsfolk, a testament to the beauty of a bond that was truly woven by destiny. Do let us know in the comments how did you like the story. Please do like, share and subscribe.